Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to be showing you today's daily cipher word, which is points. Points is today's daily cipher word. As always, we line up the letters P O I N T S and then we find the corresponding Morse codes. We start with P. P is here. Tap, long press, tap. P is tap, long press, tap. Then O is here. Long press, O is long press, Then I is here. Tap, I is tap. Then N is here. Long press, tap. N is long press, tap. Then T, it's a long press. Then S is here. Tap. It's tap. Now let us get the phone and we put in this Morse code. Let me see. As always, click on the second item from the left, Daily Cipher, until this button turns red. Now let us put in this Morse code. We start with P, which is tap, long press, tap. Then O, long press. Then I, tap. Then N, long press, tap. Then T, you long press. Then S, tap. And the word is points. Lastly, click on take the prize and you'll be good to go. Good job, CEO. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next videos. Bye bye.